Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode and wipe cache partition from there. So, to get started we will need a cable for this, as Samsung is one of the only devices that requires you to plug in a cable for no reason other than to actually access this mode while still following everything else like you would do on other devices. So anyway, just have it on the side for now. Next, pull down your notifications, select the power button, and choose power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold the power button and volume up. And once you start holding those two buttons, immediately plug it in. So for this, I am going to grab my device. It's going to be a little bit easier for me to do it like that. There we go. Once you see Galaxy, let go of the power button. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. In here, you can unplug the cable, as it was only needed to get us in here. Other than that, it served literally no purpose. And then, using volume buttons, scroll down and select Wipe Cache Partition, and then confirm it using your power button. Next, select Yes to confirm that. It will give you a message that it's formatting cache and then cache wipe complete, at which point a reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once more to initiate said reboot. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.